So, I'm gonna tell you as this. So you go down these stairs to get to the other blacksmith, by the way. I'm just gonna put a video on my YouTube channel so you can see it. So you go down these stairs. I hope my mic can pick me up, because I don't know. See this? If there's an elevator here, you have not been down here yet. Probably. No, no. Okay, so you go down to New Londo Ruins, right? Or Ruins. You don't actually go far. You just go to where all those hollows are. You go right. And you go down these stairs that are broken, right? And there should be a guy in a cell. Alright. So that's how you do it. And I'm gonna